Hi, third graders. This is Miss Ashby. Today, as writers, we are going to continue our work with feature articles. Today, we're going to take what we know about feature articles and we're going to start to talk about what makes an appropriate topic for a feature article. By the end of this lesson, you will be picking your topic for your feature article. As a review, a feature article is a piece of nonfiction writing about news. They are written to give more depth to events, people, or issues. They are often human interest stories. Today, our focus are the types of topics writers address in feature articles. We know that feature articles are nonfiction, so they have to be an event that has happened. They have to be about a real person or animal, and then they also could be about a specific issue that has happened. Today, I want to talk to you about how a feature article is a short piece of writing. So when we are thinking about our topic for feature articles, we don't want it to be too broad. Next to my bullet point, I have a picture of a bullseye. When you're thinking about a bullseye or hitting your target, you're hoping to narrow down and hit that middle of your target. The same thing can apply to our feature articles. When we're thinking about a topic that would be appropriate, we want to make sure that our topic isn't too broad. If our topic is too broad, it might seem more like a nonfiction book versus a nonfiction article. So today I'm going to show you how I would take some ideas, things that I feel like I know really well as a writer, and narrow them down to be more of an article and not more of a nonfiction book or a nonfiction text. When you think about ideas that you have for a feature article, you want to be thinking about topics that you know at least a little bit about already. You might have to do some research for your feature article, and that's okay, but you don't want to spend every single day doing a ton of research for your article because that's not our purpose as writers for this genre. We want to be picking a topic that we know a little bit about so that we can do some research and then spend the rest of our time writing our article. So one thing that I like a lot and one thing that I know quite a bit about would be dogs. However, I also know that dogs is a very, very broad topic. There's a lot of information that I could be writing about dogs. That's too broad. I need to start to narrow it down. I need to work to get to my topic, to that bullseye, so that I can write an article and not a book. Well, one thing about dogs that I really, really like to learn about are German Shepherds. German Shepherds could work as a feature article topic, but I kind of want to get it even narrower. I want to work to make that topic smaller so that I can spend less time researching and spend more time writing about that topic. One other thing that I'm really passionate about, one other thing that I like learning about, are how German Shepherds are used as police dogs. So as a writer, I'm going to take that last topic, that last idea that I generated, and use that as my feature article topic. I know that this topic is smaller than the idea of dogs, so I'll be able to write more of an article than a book. Today, as writers, after this lesson is over, you will get logged onto Google Classroom and you will use that Google form to submit what your feature article topic will be about. Thank you.